Okay, searching in current file. So let's say you're like me and you have a bunch of files that I've been playing around with and you want to find something and you just want to search all the instances it appears in this particular file. You got a lot of files open though. So when you go here and for instance this is Ctrl+F, ctrl+shift+f. Oh, good, but not what I'm looking for because I just want to find it in this particular file. It helps when you got like a bunch of files open, like 100, which I usually do. And so here, what you want to do, unfortunately, this, if you go here, files to include, you're like, oh, got it. Okay, let me just go ahead and Alt-Shift-C, paste it here. It doesn't seem to work. Okay, and I have an add-in, so let's go Ctrl-Alt-E, which is copy file. This seems to work, but for whatever reason, sometimes this bombs. It just doesn't work. It gives you no entries here, even though files to exclude is none, and you do this. You definitely don't want to open an editor. So the quickest way to solve this problem is, in my opinion, I just go ahead and open a new Visual Studio Code here. And then I already have the path to this guy. And with this Visual Studio Code, I just go ahead and open and then paste. And here we are. Voila! This, if you Control F, I don't know, for T head, we can do this. You will get only those in this particular. Not the best example because I didn't have like a million things open and I definitely didn't have like hundreds of hits here, but if you're working on a large code file, this is a must, otherwise you're going to be lost. So hopefully this helps.